In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can deposit money from Robinhood to my bank. So let's start. First, open up your Robinhood app and then click on this profile icon from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen, you just have to click on this three-line menu at the top of your screen. From this menu screen, click on transfers. Then you just have to click on this transfer money button, or you can also see your withdrawal cash here, or if you scroll down, you will see all of your link accounts or bank account that has been linked to your Robinhood. Now to link new bank account, you can click on this add account button and then add your bank details. Once your bank has been linked, you can simply click on this transfer money, and then you just have to select the from option, and you have to select your Robinhood account that has your money. My case, I'm going to select my brokerage account. Then you just have to select your to account. So just click on it, and then you have to select your bank account, or you can also link your bank account here by clicking on this add account button. Once you have selected bank account, you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to deposit in your bank. Then click on review, and lastly you just have to click on transfer, and that's it. Your withdrawal request has been submitted. You will receive your money in 5 business days in your bank account. So I hope this video will help you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.